Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Port Washington, Wisconsin until 4:30 p.m. At 3:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cleveland, or near Sheboygan, moving east at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open